Spoken English practice through Kannada. 10 daily use sentences. ಈ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? How much does this pencil cost? How much does this pencil cost? ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು? How long have you been married? How long have you been married? ಮಸಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರುಬ್ಬು. Grind the spices finely. Grind the spices finely. ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಸು. Spread the bedsheet. Spread the bedsheet. ನೆಲ ಒರೆಸಿದ್ಯಾ? Did you mop the floor? Did you mop the floor? ರೇಖಾ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ರೇಖಾ is a liar. ಇಲ್ಲಿ liar spelling Liar. ರೇಖಾ is a liar. ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡೀನಿ. I made a huge mistake. I made a huge mistake. ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿದ್ಯಾ. You are getting me wrong. You are getting me wrong. ನನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡ. Don't backbite about me. Don't backbite about me. ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಳಿಬೇಡ. Don't stretch the matter. Don't stretch the matter.